Dice, today I'm very proud to talk about John Marcos Iñárritu, one of the most talented Peruvian singers and songwriters. He has been writing songs since he was a teenager, and music has always been a life-changing experience for him. He started his career singing in a small place in Lima before releasing his first album, and that helped him discover his passion. He has already won several Latin Grammy Awards, which are some of his biggest achievements, and they performed in many countries around the world. In addition, Gianmarco has collaborated with great artists such as Gloria Estefan and Alejandro Fernandez. These experiences have helped him grow and improve as a musician. On the other hand, he said that his career was not always easy because there were moments when the feel defeat, tired and frustrated, but he never gave up. He also mentioned that he was writing songs for Marc Anthony and Diego Torres, which he considers an honor and challenge. However, he has sung in Japan, yet although he hopes to do it someday. Talking to Gianmarco made me realize how dedication and passion can truly change someone's life. I have already interviewed other artists, but this interview has been one of the most inspiring experiences for me. I haven't achieved almost all my dreams yet, but after listening to him, I feel more motivated to keep going and follow my goals with love and persistence.